This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz GL 550. This crossover has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 4.7-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the driver assistance package, Distronic Active Cruise Control, a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, speed-sensitive volume controls, blind spot assist, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity headlights, a rear seat entertainment system, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, cornering lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and lane keeping assist. The following features are also included: voice activation technology, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, steering wheel mounted controls, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, a first aid kit, dual power seats, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.